Strong back herb, healthier steps. Strong back herb. Strong back herb is a plant or shrub native to the Caribbean islands, southern Florida, South America, and Jamaica. It is a perennial vine belonging to the coffee or Rubiaceae family. In ancient times, this herb was used by elders, especially men, to increase stamina and sexual power. This herb was used as traditional folk medicine, and the berries and roots were used as the primary parts of herbal medicine. Some other common names of this herb are cheese shrub, Morinda royale, regal, Mouse's pineapple, and yellow ginger. The plant of the strong back herb contains beautiful white flowers and yellow berries, which repels the human due to its unpleasant odor. But it is special for bees and butterflies who are drawn to it. It is also used as an ornamental plant in some areas of the world. Strong back herb is used not only to increase stamina and sexual desire but also to reduce the risk of several diseases and improve health conditions. This is because of this herb's antioxidant, antimicrobial, and aphrodisiac properties. Strong back herb, scientifically known as Desmodium incanum, is a perennial plant native to Central and South America. There is a lot of confusion about the correct scientific name for this plant, which was long held to be Desmodium incanum. But the correct name of the plant today is called Desmodium laxiflorum. It is famous with different names in different countries. Like in Hawaii, it is known as kaimi clover, and in some other countries as Spanish clover or creeping beggarweed. This plant was first introduced as a forage crop around the world, and soon spread to many other places of the world. But it is considered a weed both outside and within its native range. Now it has spread through Florida into southern Texas and across many Pacific islands like Hawaii. This plant has hairy leaves with elliptical shapes, with flowers from pink to rose in color. It is a very frustrating crop in agriculture because of its seed pods, which easily break off from the plant when it ripens. The seed pods are covered with sticky hairs, which makes them stick to any rough surface they touch, like the skin or hair of animals and clothing as well. Health benefits of strong back herb. As described in the name of its herb, it is an effective remedy to relax and strengthen the muscles of the back. But not only this herb can provide benefits in many other ways and improve the quality of life. The weight of a human's upper body is supported by the back. Therefore, strengthening both the lower and upper back is very important to carry out the body's weight without any hassle and pain. But some people do not have the correct posture and smooth muscles, which results in severe pain while they move. In such conditions, a strong back herb is an ideal medicinal herb for reducing pain and having a healthy back. This herb was a well-known aphrodisiac in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. Some men even describe that this herb works similarly to the horny goat weed. The extract of this herb can also help in increasing energy levels, building up stamina, and bringing relief to muscles. Rheumatism or rheumatic disease affects the patient's joints, bones, ligaments, and muscles. It is an autoimmune condition caused by the attack of the immune system on healthy body cells. The strong back herb can be very effective in such medical conditions due to its ability to relax and soothe muscles. Bronchitis, on the other hand, is an infection that makes the lungs and airways inflamed and irritated. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of strong back herb can be very effective in fighting against this infection and soothing the tissues in the lungs and airways. There are various herbal teas that have been used for centuries to cleanse the kidney and make it function properly. Strong back herb is one of them. Strong back herb has detoxifying properties, which makes it an ideal option to remove waste from the body. Due to the anti-inflammatory properties of the strong back herb, it can reduce the inflammation of the lungs and prevent such serious health conditions. 5. Maintain healthy metabolism. Strong back herb is low in calories but contains a high amount of phytonutrients, plant-based chemicals which show powerful antioxidant traits. These phytonutrients help in maintaining a healthy metabolism by converting the food into energy to perform various biochemical reactions. 6. Improves heart function. Containing a high level of potassium, a strong back herb can be very helpful in lowering high blood pressure. Moreover, potassium present within strong back herb not only reduces hypertension but also maintains electrolyte balance and healthy blood circulation in the body. 7. Maintain healthy skin and hair. Strong back herb is famous for its ability to provide energy and stamina and is also used for beauty and skincare. Due to the presence of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B7, zinc, copper, and other phytonutrients, this herb can effectively rejuvenate skin texture and increase hair growth. How to make strong back herb tea. Here are a few simple steps to make strong back herb tea. Take 1 liter of water and let it boil on a high flame. When water starts to boil, add 20 grams of dried strong back herb into this water. Slow down the flame and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Steep it for 10 minutes and then strain off the tea. This would make 4 cups of herbal tea, and the recommended amount is to drink 1 cup twice a day.